Hi, I'm Carrie Mecca and I'm going to demonstrate my going in circles tool. When you're making flounces and ruffles, sometimes you need a perfect circle, and that's what this tool will do. Now you'll notice I'm going to draw a 4-inch circle which has a 2-inch radius. I've pinned my center and here is my hole with my 2-inch measurement, and I'm just simply going to swing it around and draw right on the fabric. If I was making a flounce, I would want, let's say, a 2-inch ruffle, so I would go to the 4-inch hole, draw my circle, and I'm ready to go. I simply cut it out and take it to the sewing machine.